is brought to you by Mayor Jong Chaniza and Kuya Noy Chaniza. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chainin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus, officiated by Mubay Davao City. The production team, RMJ, Sports and Events, Red Insight Production for official photo coverage, the technical working staff, Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Blazing Phoenix Basketball, ipadayon ang nasugdan ng progreso sa tibok Pantukan. Ipadayon ang progreso sa tibok Distrito 2 sa Davao de Oro. This intercollegiate.
Good evening, basketball fans. We are live here at MIU Gym here in the municipality of Pantukan, Davao de Oro. Ayan, hello sa mga nanonood sa atin dito. Ako po si Coach Wawa, makakasama nyo in today's last game. RMC going up against this Mats School, no? And you can catch us live on our Facebook page at RMJ Sports and Events, and also to Kolehiyo ng Pantukan KNP Facebook page, and also you can catch us our YouTube channel at RMJ TV. Ayan, sa ating YouTube, and hello sa mga viewers natin, no? Na nanonood. And our game at hand. This is the Division 1 category, Mats. Kalaban ang RMC. Ito yung bakbakan natin tonight. If RMC gonna win this game, they will be advanced to the finals tomorrow. At let me introduce to you our kasama ko sa ating courtside, si courtside reporter na si Katrina. Katrina, ano bang balita dyan?
Good day, viewers. So you are still watching Mayor Jong Chaniza and Kuya Noy Chaniza Intercollegiate Basketball Invitation Championship. So for our third game, we have here the RMC versus Mats. So naata diri ka ang captain ball sa each Tom and Mr. Tal. So Mr. Tom, unsa man ang
wala. Mo aron sa naka-adjust mi sa mo depensa. So port lang ibali ang EBS gipili sa RMC, so mag-double effort jud mi ani, teamwork lang, salig lang sa kauban, double effort lang sa depensa.
Oh, thank you, Sir Christian. So, Sir Tal, what do you think? Unsa jud mo ka ready aron masundan ang inyong kadaugan po?
Ready. Please ato. Mo nang
So mo to ang mga thoughts no sa atong mga captain ball. So watch out lang jud mo sa atong third and last game. This is Katrina Calpiaquino. Back to you, Coach Wawa.
Yes, thank you so much, Katrina, no? And that's our match-up, no, for this last header for tonight. Ayan, and again, just sit and relax, for this will be an exciting ball game, mga kaibigan. So magbabalik po kami para sa tip-off ng ating last game between RMC and Mats.
This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Chaniza and Kuya Noy Chaniza. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chainin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus, officiated by Mubay Davao City. The production team, RMJ, Sports and Events, Red Insight Production for official photo coverage, the technical working staff, Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Blazing Phoenix Basketball, Ipadayon ang nasugdan nga progreso sa tibuok Pantukan. Ipadayon ang progreso sa tibuok Distrito 2 sa Davao de Oro. This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Ceniza and Kuya Noy Ceniza. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chenin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus, officiated by Mubay Davao City. The production team, RMJ, Sports and Events, Red Insight Production for official photo coverage, the technical working staff, Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Blazing Phoenix Basketball, ipadayon ang nasugdan nga progreso sa tibuok Pantukan. Ipadayon ang progreso sa tibuok Distrito 2 sa Davao de Oro. This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Ceniza and Kuya Noy Ceniza. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chenin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus, officiated by Mubay Davao City. The production team, RMJ, Sports and Events, Red Insight Production for official photo coverage, the technical working staff, Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Blazing Phoenix Basketball, ipadayon ang nasugdan nga progreso sa tibuok Pantukan. Ipadayon ang progreso sa tibuok Distrito 2 sa Davao de Oro. This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Ceniza and Kuya Noy Ceniza. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chenin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus, officiated by Mubay Davao City. The production team, RMJ, Sports and Events, Red Insight Production for official photo coverage, the technical work.
And we are back to the ball game. This is a battle again by RMC and Mats. And here's our official referees from Mobile. We have Rodney Espinosa, Empire 1. Omar De Guzman, Crew Chief. And Leo Soreño, Empire 2. Yan na nating officials. Mobile referees in tonight's game. At napakaseryoso nitong tatlo. Grabe naman. Parang kakain ng mga player. Kondisyon na kondisyon. And ito, maraming salamat kay Mayor Jong Ceniza at kay Kuya Noy Ceniza for this Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament. And also, tayo nagpapasalamat kay Doc Nitchel Asidilio, no, the acting president the college sa kolehiyo ng Pantukan na yan. Ma'am, thank you so much, and all your staff out there, no, na bumubuo. Salamat sa pag-aalaga sa amin dito, no. We're very blessed, no, na nandito kami. It's an honor. Maraming salamat. This is our last game for tonight. Yes. So, this is an exciting ball game.
Wala ni timer kung ano. Oh. 50 mo, mo. Uy, nawala man ni mo. Nawala. Nawala mo. Nabingala ko po, nawala.
Here comes Mats. 23 to number 9 for Mats. Yes! Number 22. Wala na ay shot.
Wala shot. Kita ba to? Isa ka team.
Eto. Redobla. No good. Rebound. Match na naman, number 22. The captain. So, number 9. Number 9. Nagingin ng screen. Tumira ng tres. Airball. So, ayan. So, this is a real live recording coverage, no? Kasi nawala po yung internet natin. Ayan, LC Constantino with that easy layup. So, it's a deadlock at 2-all. And number 9 again. RMC Montanya. So, Monte. Calvo, 4-3. No good. Rebound right there.
Ikaw, Richard. Ako, spinner. Coach Wawa. Maraya lang mag-commentator.
Rebound by Dolormente. Redobla. Turnover. Here it comes. The Mats. No good. Rebound by Redobla. Both teams wang hindi nagpapatalo. Out of bounds for Dolormente. Bola ng Mats. So both teams kailangan manalo yung RMC dito para sigurado na sila sa finals bukas. So if matalo yung RMC, it would be a triple tie between indoor bracket, RMC, Mats, and also the ABS. Because tinalo ng ABS itong Mats, ang RMC tinalo nila yung ABS. So this time around, so there's a unsportsmanlike foul.
Wala ni mo nakuhaan. Wala nakuha sa camera.
Yes, technical throws for Redobla. Pumasok yung unang tira. Yes, pumasok din yung pangalawa. Dolormente with that familiar move. Foul on number 81. So second personal foul. There's number 81 of Mats. Score 6-4, 2-point lead by RMC. And again, tayo nagpapasalamat kay Mayor Jong Sinisa, Kuya Noy Sinisa, for this intercollegiate basketball invitational tournament. Ayan. Constantino. Reverse, no good. A rebound for Mats. Ito, nagmamadali na ang Mats ngayon. Umaatake. Give and go play. Number 22, no good. And here comes the RMC Bulldogs. Redobla. Half step. No good, but there's a foul. Na tinawag. So, Redobla will be on the line. Charity throw. Shooting for 2. Ayan. And that's Kim Montana and Coach Prince Macabenta. Tinuturuan si Kim kung saan pupushot at anong gagawin. Yes. Redobla. Number tumira na atras, wala. Rebound by Montana. Pero dobla to Pompilon. Montemayor, I'm sorry. Monte Calvo day. Monte Calvo! What a nice layup by Monte Calvo. Matt's calling the play. Number 9. Spins. Short jumper. No good. Rebound by Montana. Oh, nakuha ng Mats. Number 9. Spins. To number 23. No good. To number 22. Wala pa rin. Ito. Grabe. Mats really struggling. And having some points. And, ito. Tumawag ng foul na naman. I guess it would be the first personal foul. Montemayor. Constantino. No good. Rebound by number 22 of the Mats. No good. Dolermente, no good. So, basket is good for Dolermente.
Ayos kayo ba? Kayo nakuha na kung si Umar kanina na. Sana akong replay ron. Oh, nakuha na ko si Umar na katong ni Adag sa mo. Karong kito lumente. Kito lumente.
Montana all the way. There's a timeout. Magbabalik po kami in a short while.
This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Ceniza and Kuya Noy Ceniza. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chainin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus. Officiated by Mubay Davao.
Back to the ball game.
Nakahuman ba? Pagkila na.
For three, yes! Constantino with a long bomb. What a nice shot right there for Constantino. Another one for Constantino. What a move right there. Number 13. Number 1. Pull up. There's a foul right there. Let's take a look at this replay. Long distance shot. Constantino. Nothing but the bottom of the net for Constantino. Yes, basket is good for the first throw. Second throw. No good. Rebound. Montana. Here comes Montecalvo. Redobla. No good. Ito, nagmamadali na itong Mats. Steal by Montecalvo. To Dolermente. Power move. Yes. Number 13. To number 22. Step back. Yes, what a nice move. Constantino. Redobla. No good. Drives in. 22. Pinasa sa ilalim. And a block right there for Dolermente. And now, fast break. Hindi na-control yung bola ni Montecalvo. 10 seconds time remaining. 13. Drives. Yes! With a buzzer beater. And that's the end of our first quarter. 21-9. Lamang po itong RMC Bulldogs. Magbabalik po kami in a short while. And we're back to the ball game. For the second quarter, we have 21 to 11, 10-point lead for the RMC Bulldogs. This would be do or die game. So both of these teams hindi magpapatalo because they really need to win. For the match, they need to win because natalo sila kahapon ng tawag nito. Or their last game, itong match natalo ng ABS. Yung ABS, tinalo din ng RMC. So, this will be a crucial match. Wala. For how? Pompilon. Wow! Kudos! Extra pass. Pero wala. No good for Pompilon. Constantine. No, how? How pala. Defensor to number 13. Pompilon to Sinjong. No good. Defensor to Costa. To how? No good. But, how will be given 2 throws on the line. How? The next. (23 to 11). 11-point lead or 12-point lead for the RMC.
Stage nyo, likod. Ako stage ko na kayo.
Kudo. Pompilon. How? To Sinjong. Block! There comes the match. Number 32. Loses the handle itong si How, kaya bola ng Mats. Ayan, 23 to 11. Tehok. Inbound the ball. Mamadali. To number 32 of Mats. Number 23. RMC right now, Kudos. Pompilon looking to skim. Defensor to How. Binalik kay Pompilon. Sinjong slashing to the middle to Defensor to How. What a perfect execution for the RMC Bulldogs. Napakaganda ng mga recognition and selfish play. Look at this replay. Ayan. Move of the game, and what a bullet pass coming from Defensor to How. How with a power move plus a foul. And How doesn't complete the play. Kudo. Yeah. What a shot by Kudos. Inbound. Bola ng Mats. Number 13. Guarded by Pompilon. 13. But nice extra pass. But steal by Kodo. Kodo all alone to the basket. And lumayo na yung lamang dito ng RMC. Ang ganda ng kanilang court called zone trap na 2-2-1, no? Ay hirapan itong match. Ayan, they've been struggling all day long, no? Apektado sila sa pressure ng bola nitong RMC. Let's take a look at this replay. Hustle play in courtesy by Kudo. So 6 minutes, time remaining. How? To Pompilon. Pompilon. To Sinjong. To Defensor. Defensor to Pompilon. Pompilon with a jumper. Wala. Rebound by Sinjong. Sinjong ngayon. To How. How. Extra step. Called a traveling violation. Turnover. Kaya bola ngayon ng Mats. What a nice defense na pinapakita ngayon ng Mats. That's why the RMC commits turnover on that possession. At ito naman, their early offense, a point block, sayang hindi pumasok, no? Yun na sana eh, no? But once you're open, you really have to take that shot, man, you know? Kasi that's the time na ma-open lang po tayo, no? Sayang naman yung scoring natin. Kasi nakakapagod dumepensa. Pagdating sa opensa, you have that nice defensive stop, and then you sprint para maging open, and tapos pag shoot mo hindi mapapasok, wala kang bantay. Man, it's a mortal scene. But Kudo for that long distance shot, hindi pumasok. Pass break for Mats. Yes, number 22 finish it all the way with a nice layup coming from a good defense. Alright, Pompilon for the RMC to Defensor. How? Defensor looking for Sinjong. Seal sa LM ni How. And here comes Sinjong. Pompilon. Kudo. Kudo with a short jumper. No good. And nagawa ng bola. Let me see. There's a discussion with the referee. Okay, they correct the call. So, binigay nila ang bola. The ball possession will be on the Mats. Ayan. Shout out po tayo sa lahat na nandito sa ating venue. Yes. Two points. Peras with that number 9. Here comes the RMC shooting their half-court play. Umikot si How. Nabitawan ng bola. What a great defense ng Mats. They completed the position. Ito na tumatakbo ng mga Mats. 22. Pull up. No good. Rebound for number 9. Pinasa sa ilalim. Miscommunication, no? Masyadong masikip yung passing lane, but Kudos all the way to the layup. Ito again, tinapon na lang ang bola at commits turnover, sayang. But let's take a look at this replay. Move of the game in courtesy of this guy. Number 13, Kudos. Yan. Pinasakay yung dalawang opponent, pinalusot. And we have a timeout. Magbabalik po kami in a short while.
This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Ceniza and Kuya Noy Ceniza. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chainin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus.
And we are back to the ball game yan. That's Coach Rael Diaz. Thank you so much. And that's is Doc Nichel Asidilio. No? Thank you so much, ma'am. The acting president of the Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. And also the marker from Mobile Referees. Handang-handa na to after the game. Masyadong excited na to yung mga referees natin na matapos ang laro. I don't know bakit, pero we're still in the second quarter with 3 minutes and 51 seconds. No? Shout out kay Mark Luther Magno. No? Ang the pride of Lupon, ang Jimmy Alapag ng Lupon. Yan. Tsaka hi sa mga fans ni Boss J dyan sa likod. Yan. Ibang-iba talaga pag si Boss J na ang kumakapa. Ayan. At saka kay Aaron Costan, the Mighty Mouse ng Doña Pilar. Let's go! Okay, back to the ball game na po tayo. Pampelon on the inbound. Bola ng RMC. Let's see anong gagawin. What a nice alley-oop play in the courtesy of Pampilon and Sinjong. What a good recognition, no? Ito naman ang match, babawi. Number 8, the Afroman for the match. Ito, number 22. Setting the play. Ayan. A steal! Pampilon. No good. Ito, short jumper, wala, rebound by How di Carabao, let's go. Kodo right now for RMC, defensor to Sinjong, yes, nothing but the bottom of the net. What a nice shot right there for Sinjong, no? Very basic, napakasimple ng basketball na ginagawa ni Sinjong dito. And ito number 22. Number 9 to 681. Oh, good. Ito, Kodo naman ang may tanan ng bola. Kodo! Yes! 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 Kodo slicing hard to the middle with that kind of beautiful layup. Ito na naman ang depensa ng RMC, but there's a foul right there for defensor. Let's take a look at this replay. This inbound play with alley-oop from Pampilon to Sinjong. No? A good recognition by these two players of RMC. And, you know, we're now down to 2 minutes and 10 seconds in the second quarter. Eto, number 13. Asking for some screen, kinuhang bola. Eto na, yung captain ball nila, no? Number 22! And there's a 24-second shot clock violation. Turnover na po yun, no? Bola ngayon ng RMC. And the score is 17 to 37. It's a huge lead. Grabe yung mga laro natin today. Puro malayo yung kalamangan, no? Grabe. But these both teams, no, sa nakikita ko naman dito, between this Mats and RMC, napakaganda naman ang laro. Mats very aggressive, both offense and defense. Ang problema lang is hindi nila ma-shoot yung mga open looks nila. And this RMC, their execution from defense to offense, napakaganda. Yung mga point blank nila, nasushoot. That's why they have a huge lead right now. No? Eto pa, oh. Yan, what a nice shot by number 9 of Mats. Napakaganda by Esperas. Ito na, defensor. Tukudo. Sinjong Tukudo, give and go play! Yes! What a simple basketball ang ginagawa dito ng RMC, no? Spearheaded by Coach Prince Macabenta. Grabe. Let's take a look at this replay from RMJ Sports. That assist of the game from Sinjong Tukudo. A veteran and a rookie. Grabe yung combination nila dito. Pompilon. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Kudo is everywhere in the court. Grabe yung sense niya kung saan yung bola. Alam na, no? Yung tracking ng bola. Kudo. Wow. It's a 40 seconds time remaining, no? Eto. What a play! But a good recognition ng depensa ng RMC. Grabe yung focus nila. Oh, let's take a look at this replay. Move of the game. Ayan, Kudo for saving the ball, no? Grabe. You know, 25 seconds, Pompilon. To defensor, pinasa kay How! Going hard! No good, but there's a foul right there for number 7. Wow. Grabe yung execution talaga ng RMC, no? On their offense, napaka-patient sa mga player. They know when to attack, on how to attack. That's what you call the perfect timing. Ayan. So, second throw for How. No good. Dalawang free throw, hindi pumasok eh. Ito, rebound with number 7. Velasco right now, number 13 of Mats. Steal by How. Ito, Kodo to How. Ito na naman yung give and go play. Kodo pa rin, wala. Ito, defensor fades away. No good. And that's the end of the third quarter. Score 41-19. Lamang po ang RMC. And magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter.
This is more than just a destination, a place where you experience culture, embrace diversity, and discover the beauty that lies within every corner of our municipality. Pantukan showcases the natural wonders, rich heritage, and warm hospitality. This makes our municipality a true gem.
Together we will rise and build our future.
One game, one rule, one Patukan, where fun begins and never ends here. This is more than just a destination, a place where you experience culture, embrace diversity, and discover the beauty that lies within every corner of our municipality. Pantukan showcases the natural wonders, rich heritage, and warm hospitality. This makes our municipality a true gem.
Together we will rise and build our future.
One game, one rule, one Patukan, where fun begins and never ends here. This is more than just a destination, a place where you experience culture, embrace diversity, and discover the beauty that lies within every corner of our municipality. Pantukan showcases the natural wonders, rich heritage, and warm hospitality. This makes our municipality a true gem.
Together we will rise and build our future.
One game, one rule, one Patukan, where fun begins and never ends here. This is more than just a destination, a place where you experience culture, embrace diversity, and discover the beauty that lies within every corner of our municipality. Pantukan showcases the natural wonders, rich heritage, and warm hospitality. This makes our municipality a true gem.
Together we will rise and build our future.
One game, one rule, one Patukan, where fun begins and never ends here. This is more than just a destination, a place where you experience culture, embrace diversity, and discover the beauty that lies within every corner of our municipality. Pantukan showcases the natural wonders, rich heritage, and warm hospitality. This makes our municipality a true gem.
Together we will rise and build our future.
One game, one rule, one Patukan, where fun begins and never ends here. This is more than just a destination, a place where you experience culture, embrace diversity, and discover the beauty that lies within every corner of our municipality. Pantukan showcases the natural wonders, rich heritage, and warm hospitality. This makes our municipality a true gem.
Together we will rise and build our future.
One game, one rule, one Patukan, where fun begins.
We're back to the ball game. Montana. Constantino. Here comes Redobla. So, here comes Mats. Number 7, fakes. Foul. And number 7 on the line, shooting 2. No good. Second throw. Redobla. Pinasa sa ilalim. No good. Eto, Matt sumarangkada. Number 22 for 3. No good. Ayan, RMC ngayon. To LC Constantino. To Redobla. The pride of Canto Boys. Eto, Redobla. Wide open for 3. Yes! Kayang-kaya yun ni Redobla. Ito, steal by Constantino. But he loses the ball. Out of bounds, and let's take a look at this long distance shot from Redobla, and it's brought to you by Batang Pantukan, Bagong Pantukan. Yan. Eto, number 22, Black by Montana. What a great defense right there for the RMC Bulldogs. Here comes Constantino. Wala. Number 8. Black again by Montana. And the ball will still remain for the Mats. Yes. Here comes number 9. Yes. Redobla again. No, wala. And there's a foul. Let's take a look at this replay. Bola ngayon ng RMC. Monte Calvo with that long bomb. Wala. Mats right now. 4-3. Wala. Air ball. Out of bounds. Bola ng RMC. Number 22, yes! Foul right there. Let's take a look at this replay. Number 22 going all the way. That's move of the game. Ito, pinasok na sa number 1 for the match. This is the third quarter. 5 minutes and 44 seconds. Number 1! In one play. No, kakapasok lang. And one play agad. Let's take a look at this replay. Move of the game. Hatid sa inyo ng Batang Pantukan. Bagong Pantukan. Yan. Foul. May nakahanap ng foul dun sa ilalim. It's number 9 of RMC. Yes, pumasok yung unang tira. Second throw. Oh, good. Eto, Kim Montanya for the rebound. Monte Calvo right now. Dobla. Tolentino. Long distance for Tolentino. Wala. Ito, Redobla. Yes! Nice shot for Redobla. Steal. Number 1. Yes. Timeout for Coach Prince. And they have to talk things over kasi sunod-sunod na yung run ng match. And let's take a look at this replay. A hustle play. Ayan. It's a clean steal. So, magbabalik po tayo right after this short break. Alright, back to the ball game. Shot by number 23. Oh, good. Let's take a look at this replay. Move of the game. Atid sa inyo ni Mayor Jong Sinisa at Kuya Noy Sinisa. What a play right there. What a nice recognition. The score 52-36. It's a huge lead from the RMC. And we are now down to 3 minutes. 3 points right there on Redobla. For 88. Number 22. What a give and go play. Pero naabutan ni Redobla. Score is good. There's a substitution. Constantino. Yes. Nice jumper by LC Constantino. Ito pa rin yung depensa ng RMC. Nagpo-full court pa rin sila. Ayan, rebound by Dolermente. Monticalvo. Dolermente sa ilalim. Number 9. Umikot. Yes! What a good move right there for number 9. That Pineda. Ito na yung full court ng RMC. Number 1. Lumipad. But there's a foul on jersey number 1, Dolermente. Let's take a look at this replay. Constantino with that pull-up J. What a nice move right there for Constantino. No good for the first free throw. Let's see if he can shoot this throw. No good. Redobla. Block right there by number 23. With now in 1 minute and 30 seconds. $22. $88. Wala. RMC for the rebound. Redobla to Monticalvo. Seconds to play. Pineda. Constantino for 3. Wala. $88 for 3. Air ball. It's 31 seconds. Time remaining sa third quarter. Pineda. Constantino again for a long bomb. Wala. And a rebound again for the RMC. Monte Calvo with that buzzer. Score. And that's the end of the third quarter with the score 65-38. Magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter. Back to the ball game, and this is your fourth and final quarter. Pompilon to How to Sanjong, top of the key. Yes, basket is good. Number 1. Short jumper, no good. Rebound by number 5. Defensor right now has the handle. Defensor pass it to Kudo. Kudo to Pompilon. For Trey, no good. Rebound by the Mats. Ito nagmamadali. Pinasa sa kasama. Yes. Basket is good. Ito yung full court trap ng Mats. Nakalusot si Sindyong. Pinasa pa kay How. What a block right there for How. What a monster defense. You can easily get past to my kingdom. Sabi ni How. Yes. Eto now. Shot clock winding down. Almost, but he gets the offensive rebound. Number 1. Yes. Pumasok. All the way, itong number 32. Lumalaban pa rin itong Mats. What a spin and a shot. No short. Kodo, lumipad, pinasa, at na-block ng kalaban. Ang ganda na sana. Let's take a look at this replay. Kudo with that drop pass to Defensor. Defensor na abutan sa taas. Nako, sinuloy-tuloy na lang sana ni Kudo. Sinjong. Foul by Pampilon. Let's take a look at this replay. Assist of the game. Top of the key by Sinjong. Kudo. Spins. Fades away. No good. It's 6 minutes, 13 seconds. Pampilon. Pampilon. Block by Sinjong. What a great defense right there. Here comes Mats. Short jumper, yes! Lumalaban pa rin. Pampilon. Kudo, umikot. Tuloy-tuloy, yes! Ganda ng move ni Kudo doon. Ito, umaatake. Number 1. Out of bounds. Let's take a look at this replay move of the game. Kudo. Parang si Wawa Lamano noon. Number 22. 5 minutes, time remaining sa ating fourth quarter. Pampilon, call the play. Defensor. Tignan nyo naman ang physicality. Kudo. Yes. Another layup for Mats. All alone. Walang bantay. Ayan, defensor. Hindi lang pumasok yung tira. And let's take a look at this replay with that long distance shot. Pampilon. Nothing but the bottom of the net. And we have a timeout. Magbabalik po kami in a short while.
This is more than just a destination, a place where you experience culture, embrace diversity, and discover the beauty that lies within every corner of our municipality. Pantukan showcases the natural wonders, rich heritage, and warm hospitality. This makes our municipality a true gem.
Together we will rise and build our future.
One day, one rule. One Pantukan.
Where fun begins and never ends here.
Back to the ball game with 3 minutes and 50 seconds time remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. 81-52 is the score. Labang pa rin itong RMC but itong match still lumalaban with their brave heart. 22, yes. RMC ngayon. Kudos. Yes. Last 3 minutes of the game. 83-54. Mats has the ball possession right now. Number 7, ball fake. Slashing to the middle. Pinasa sa kasama. Number 23, no good. Bola ng RMC. 4-3, defensor, wala. Mats, cross pass to their captain ball, wala. Ayan, yung mga fans natin, no? Dito. Nanonood. Ayan. Mga walang malay. Ayan, kaway-kaway naman sana. Diyan, yung mga Pantukenyos natin na nanonood dito. Ayan. Ayaw gusto magpakita. Sweet, lovely couple. Ayan. Parang familiar yun ah. For 3, Kudo. Yes! Masok yung 3-point shot. Kudo, all alone. With 1 minute and 20 seconds time remaining in the fourth quarter. 88-55 is the score. And let's take a look at this replay. That long distance shot. Nice shot for Kudo. Number 7. Kudo right now for the ball with 1 minute to play in the fourth and final quarter. Kudo. How? No good. Yes, number 7 for that easy layup. Kudo to How. "30 seconds. 4 seconds on the shot clock, no good. And I guess it is safe to say that RMC will be on the finals tomorrow, going up against the University of Mindanao, Davao. And congratulations to the RMC Bulldogs for winning the game and for being in the finals tomorrow. And that's Coach Prince Macabenta, the winning coach for tonight. And again, congratulations to RMC Bulldogs for winning the game and advancing to the finals tomorrow against the University of Mindanao. Again, this is Coach Wawa, your panelist for today. Salamat po sa inyong panunood sa amin. At thank you for the support. Again, maraming salamat kay Mayor Jong Sinisa at Kuya Noy Sinisa for this Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament. Ayan, thank you so much din kay Ma'am Nichelle, kay Doc Nichelle Asidilio, no, for welcoming us here. And again, maraming salamat. Kita-kits bukas. Same time, same place. Again, this is Coach Wawa. See you tomorrow.
This is more than just a destination, a place where you experience culture, embrace diversity, and discover the beauty that lies within every corner of our municipality. Pantukan showcases the natural wonders, rich heritage, and warm hospitality. This makes our municipality a true gem.
Together we will rise and build our future.
One day, one rule. One Pantukan.
Where fun begins and never ends here. This is more than just a destination, a place where you experience culture, embrace diversity, and discover the beauty that lies within every corner of our municipality. Pantukan showcases the natural wonders, rich heritage, and warm hospitality. This makes our municipality a true gem.
Together we will rise and build our future.
One day, one rule. One Pantukan.
Where fun begins and never ends here.